Hello, Bossy Word. Welcome to Boxing Blog Center. According to recent news, Anthony Joshua is waiting for the response of Deontay regarding the contract he sent to him and his team. You know, Joshua is kind of pissed off now. He's been hearing a little shit from Wilder and from Wilder fanboys. And now he wants to really put the work on Wilder. He wants to break Wilder's ribs. Wants to dismantle him, outboss him, manhandle him in the ring. He wants to really get his hands on Wilder. That's what I'm hearing right now. And I think Wilder's in trouble. Wilder's in big trouble, believe me. You might say the guy is overconfident. He has to be overconfident because he's a champion like Joshua. But the thing is that overconfidence might get you hurt when you're going against a monster. A very humble monster. Remember, water pass fire, like we Nigerians say. The power of water is much more endowed than the power of fire. Fire can do damage, but the only thing that can calm it down, that can quench it, is water. And Anthony Joshua is the water, while Deontay Wilder is the fire. And it's going to get quenched by Joshua. No doubt about that. So Joshua right now is very, very angry, pissed off. He cannot wait to get his hands on Deontay Wilder. He cannot wait. So he's waiting for Deontay Wilder to sign that contract and meet him at the Lion's Den. Wilder don't enter Wilder. Wilder don't enter Wilder. Wilder's in trouble, bro. Wilder's in trouble. Is in trouble. You would then, when that day comes, all these Wilder fanboys will then know that, listen, skills pay the bills. Because Joshua will make Deontay Wilder look like an amateur. It depends on how he wants to fight that fight. He can decide to go to war with him. It will beat him. If he decides to box with him, it will beat him. Anyway he decides, it will beat him because the guy is definitely mentally endowed and more technically gifted than Deontay Wilder. So I don't care whichever strategy he uses in this fight, he has to win. He has to make Deontay Wilder look like an amateur. He has to make Deontay Wilder look like someone who's never boxed before. I mean, make him look useless in the ring. Because Deontay Wilder, the last time I checked, he is not Judge Foreman. The guy is is too sloppy and he can't take pressure. So guys, we've got a fight. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Deontay Wilder. I've said this before, and I will say it again in Pidgin English. You go, yeah, win. Cheers, everyone.